Hey guys, so I just want to show you what you're going to do to turn in your work on the test. It's different than what we've done in the past. In the past, I've had a question at the end of the test and it says upload all your work here. Now, the problem with that is if you upload it in just one of those questions, then I am not able to go into Canvas with my iPad and write on your work and show you what you've done incorrectly. Anything that I want to explain that you've done incorrectly, I have to type it out in the comment box, and that takes a long time. It doesn't give you as good of feedback if, as opposed to if I were just to write on your work with my pen. So what we're going to do to start to turn in work is when you go to the test, you'll go in and take the test like usual, but at the end of the test, there will not be a place to submit your work. So you do have to submit work, and what you'll do is click on the image here, upload all your work here, and all you'll do is upload your work into homework or an assignment. You can see it's worth 0 points, but when you upload your work into this assignment, then I am able to look at it in my iPad, and then in your work, I can have your work in my iPad and your test up on my computer screen, so that when I see one that you get incorrect, I can look at your work on my iPad, and then I can give you points back based on your work. And not only that, then I can write right over top of your work in Canvas and give you feedback on your work. This helps because if you decide to do test corrections, then you can just do it right on that page that you did work on, and I'll give you a head start on those because I'm correcting or helping you see what went wrong with that question. So that makes it even more important to show your work, specifically on the questions that I say show your work in all caps. But on questions where you might feel like that you don't have to show your work, it still could be really helpful for you to show your work, because if you show your work and submit it, I can help point you in the right direction for where you went wrong. I can give you partial credit back. Kind of how I score things is that if you try a problem and it makes sense for math, you get 1/4 of the points on the question. If you try a problem and it makes sense for the things that we've talked about in class, like you're on the right track with the things we talked about in class, then you get half the points for that question. If you try something and you just miss a small step, like say you're supposed to solve for x in a question, but you add 5 and you're supposed to subtract 5, well, then I only take off half a point. So showing your work has huge benefits in getting partial credit back, especially if you're on the right track. So that's it. If you have any questions about that or that's not making sense, then make sure you let me know. All right. Good luck on the test, guys. Have a good day.